Can they overeat?
Sorry?
Can they overeat?
Yeah, they can.
JoJo.
JoJo, you handsome fella, you.
People have been cutting down the trees just up on the catchment area of this stream is we call it the Ngong Hills. People have been cutting down the trees for firewood. That is why you see this stream is drying up. The unfortunate thing about it is the one that goes when they meet with another small river called the Gogo River, they go straight to the Nairobi National Park. So the animals at the national park depend on these two rivers for water. So if they happen to dry up, then these animals will really have a very bad time. Now, to avoid injuries and all these kind of incidences, I will try and bridge here.
Might be a big one.
Right. We'll just go up this way and go back now to the center.
So Frederick's just been telling us that there's a lion out there somewhere.
Massai deodorants that we have.
So we can't go any further.
Natural deodorants. So just a minute, I'll bring it again.
I'm not going to try this one.
This one you just smell it.
Thank you. No, that's okay. We'll look from afar. See, that's
Frederick's just off to get some natural deodorant.
It is amazing the plants that you can use.
So these small leaves over here, the Maasai women will take them and put them under their armpits for a certain amount of time.
We'll use some of them actually. I'm running out of deodorant.
I want you to smell them so that you probably have a good...
So if you smell this tonight, you know why.
It's Lynx, ain't it? Lynx spray.
Hey, tell you what, not far away, is it?
Oh.
Yeah, it's not bad at all.
So that is what they'll put under the armpits.
It reminds me of something.
Strong,
You
isn't
know
it?
what it's like, an antiseptic.
It is a,
Yeah, it is.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
like, I'll tell you what, that's Dettol.
Yes.
Mouth fresheners.
What are you trying to say that we have bad breath?
this
Wine breath.
Is this mint? Well mint?
yeah.
Is it mint?
It is mint.
It looks like British mint.
Oh, it is, yeah.
That's really strong.
Actually,
You
what you
smell
do-
that?
Yeah.
What you do is you chew the leaves, but you don't swallow them.
Are you sure?
You chew them. Don't swallow them.
Do you want to chew?
Oh, Frederick.
Oh, great.
Oh. Ew.
Yeah.
Oh, that is really strong.
No,
You could tell us to pick up giraffe
I've
poo
just
and
seen
eat
the
it, and we probably wouldn't.
We call it the Kikuyu tribe. They believe that when you go around this tree 7 times, if you male, you change to female. If you're female,
That'll be interesting. Go on then.
You've been nominated.
I'll follow you, Jeff. But I'm going to stop at 6.
Is it left or right hand?
you go clockwise 7 times. So you change to female if you're male, or if you're female, you change to male. So you remove the bark of this tree and you boil it up to the time the water evaporates. It leaves a blackish stuff on the pan, and that is what you put on your arrows. So if you shoot someone with that, he'll die in less than 10 minutes.
Oh, God.
Yes,